this arena is ominous. There is a chill in the air. And King, what horrors must John Cena be prepared to overcome?
Weighing 299 pounds.
Well, there's just no telling, Michael. It doesn't matter who or what Undertaker faces in the ring. He loves to inflict punishment on his opponent.
We're all set, John.
Thanks, James. So how was your daughter's birthday?
That was pretty good. That gift you sent, though, was fantastic.
Hey, I gotta keep my #1 fan happy.
Oh, that's gotta hurt. What's up, John? Good luck tonight.
Thanks, Joe. Hey, go easy on him. He's got a match.
Yeah, right. Oh, Jack, your face marked up the floor.
Have fun, you two.
So coming up next, it'll be John Cena versus The Undertaker.
And don't forget, in 4 weeks, the
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the longest running weekly episodic television show in history. This is Monday Night Raw.
Oh, no!
Fella, you and I are gonna dance.
Sheamus? What's Sheamus doing out here?
Oh my gosh, this is horrible! Somebody get him out of here!
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just joining us, this was supposed to be a non-title match between John Cena and The Undertaker. But for some reason, the Celtic warrior Sheamus has decided to viciously attack Cena. And this time, Sheamus planted on the knee. Irish curse. Sheamus has Cena. He's going to throw him off the ramp.
Oh, Cena caught himself!
But Sheamus is there. Oh no, King. King, Sheamus can't really do this. Not this.
No!
Oh no, John Cena is barely moving.
I'll be back for this. Keep it safe.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Monday Night Raw. It's been a wild night thus far, as we've already learned who 4 of the members representing Team Raw will be at bragging rights.
And now we get Sheamus versus Daniel Bryan.
Sheamus, the same man who earlier tonight viciously attacked John Cena before his non-title match with Undertaker, preventing that match from even occurring.